wanted to introduce you to the June embellishment kit. So every month now, beginning for May, today is the last day of May, and the embellishment kit will be expiring at midnight Eastern Time. It's in my Etsy shop, Markets of Sunshine. It's only $5, and it has a wonderful assortment of different handmade embellishments, vintage trims and buttons, book page, and a handmade envelope to hold your pieces in. So you can find all of the details in my Etsy shop. Just click on the link below. And also starting in June, each month for any purchase in my Etsy shop, but that starts tomorrow, June 1st, you'll be able to use a coupon code for $5 off a $10 purchase, and I will put that link in the description below as well. And you have to have a Etsy account, so it's free to register, but you have to be logged into your Etsy account in order to use this coupon code. That is a $10 purchase before shipping, and $5 off a $10 purchase, and it's open to anyone international, so you pay the shipping, but it's just $5 off of $10 or more. So you can put any amount you want in your cart over $10, and then you will get your $5 discount. So let me show you what is going to be coming in the June embellishment kits. I'm really excited about this, and I'm very happy to be able to finally feature something that is from my daughter's original artwork. And I have the digital prints available in my shop. They're only 99 cents each, and I've run sales off and on. I just had a 50% off sale, so you could have gotten each page for 49 cents, which is a great deal. So what I've done is taken her original artwork, printed it out, and made all these beautiful embellishments with it. So let me start off with just the die cut shapes first of all. So I just took my circle punch. This is 1.5 inch circle, and I punched those, so you can use these to make any kind of little embellishments. I'm going to do a project with these later to show you what you can do with them. And also the scallop flower punch as well. And these are laminated on this front side, but the back is still the paper, so it's very easy to glue it or even sew it onto any page that you want. And I show you in my video about using eyelets and brads and how you can use these beautiful embellishments like this. You can put 3 of them together like this, and you put a brad in it here and here, and then when you open it up, then you have the 3 sections together like this. Just beautiful. So that gives you an idea of what you can do with these instead of just a single embellishment. And also in the May embellishment kit, I use one of these scallop flowers, and I make a little cluster out of it, and I put one of my handmade yo-yos on it. So just a variety of ways that you can use these cute little hand-punched embellishments. So you get 3 of those. You get 4 of the 1.5 inch circle punch. And again, this is all my daughter's original artwork, and these are laminated on one side as well. And then I just give you this as an extra piece from that paper, and I didn't want to, just put it aside, but I thought, okay, I'll just go ahead and include it in this kit as well. So each kit has different pieces that are left over from that. So this is just a piece that you could fussy cut this whole butterfly out, and again, it's laminated on one side. You can fussy cut out the flower there as well. You can use your circle punch or any shape punch, heart, whatever it is, small flower, and you can punch out all of this area here, so you get one of these. And then you also get this beautiful pocket. It can be used as a side pocket, depending on the size of your journal page or your scrapbook page. So this is 7 inches by 2 3/4. And then what I did here is I printed the image onto vellum, and then that's also printed onto the cardstock, and then I married the two images together, and then I stitched it on my machine, and then now you have a pocket. So then all of these little embellishments can fit right inside of that pocket, just to show you. And then next we also have a hidden paper clip, and so I used the artwork here as well and just embellished it, put a piece of vintage trim, little word saying there, vintage book page, inked around the edges. So this is a hidden paper clip. And then the same artwork, and I laminated this side. This is paper so you can write on it. So this is a journal card. So then the paper clip slips right on the journal card. Like so. Okay, and then that can fit right in your pocket as well. And then last but not least, I am really excited about these. And you can buy these button charms, wood charms. I made it out of wood, and then I embellished it, and I put a little bulb pen with seed beads, as you can see. And I did a little glaze finish on it, and then I put a little tiny butterfly that I punched, a little dot of the, what do you call that? I just forgot what this, liquid pearls. Forgot what it was. So liquid pearl. Okay, and then the back is embellished as well. So this is all that same, from that same paper. Look at how beautiful this turned out. Oh, just gorgeous. Love, love, love how it turned out. So you get one of these. So this color and this beautiful tan caramel color is one choice that you get to pick. And then all of these items right here that you see that I just mentioned, you get for $5. Now you cannot beat this price anywhere in for embellishment kits. And so I know you're going to absolutely love this. And then next is in blue. So it's the same exact thing, but in blue. And what I did here is the vellum, I printed it out. So I punched out, this was left over as well. So here's it on vellum, here's it on the cardstock. And these two images marry up together. You just line up the little eyes and the wings, get it all lined up, and then it's all perfectly. So if you wanted to do it like that, or if you wanted to use this separate, you can do that. So you have that one little set. And then you have the scallop design as well, and it's the same thing. So in this one, I printed on the vellum. Hope you can see that, how pretty that is. Just beautiful on the vellum. And then the cardstock, and you can see all the little dots. It's so pretty. Or you can put those two together, and you've got another little one there. So that's, let's see, 4 right there. And then I give you 4 of the 1.5-inch circle punches. Again, it's the same image with the vellum print, so you can use them separately or together. So that's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 right there. And then now you get you a beautiful pocket, and the pockets come in all different sizes, so I'm just making them in different sizes. So even though I'm giving you the size of these, it does not mean that that's the size that your pocket will be. They'll be in different sizes. So this is 3 1/4 by 7. Just beautiful, adorable as well. So the same thing, the vellum, and I hand stitched it to the cardstock. And then you get your journal page, you get your hidden paper clip. This has a word little tag on that as well. Okay, so that just comes right off there. And then all of these beautiful little embellishments can fit right into the pocket. And then you can keep it for, you know, future. And then last but not least, now this image is one of my vintage hanky prints. And this is also available, I don't know if I have that in my Etsy shop anymore. I had it in there and then I took it out, so I may offer it back in there sometime in the future. Same exact glaze with the little butterfly, the liquid pearl, the bulb pen, the seed beads, and it's embellished on the back. Now in this case I did use my daughter's artwork on the back and my own vintage hanky paper on the front. So this is truly all handmade by me, and so I know you're going to love this kit. Again, all the pieces that you see right here are for $5. So these will be in my Etsy shop starting tomorrow, June 1st. And the charms by themselves, let me show you the other ones. These are already in my shop. So the button charm, and then I have a vintage thread spool charm as well. These are little wood spools. And then I have a button charm here, a vintage button, a bead, and another bead, and then another little glass or plastic. I don't know. I think this is like plastic probably. Charm here at the end. Bead, actually. So then this set as a set is available in my Etsy shop separately. So you can purchase just this by itself if you wanted to add it. This is beautiful on a tassel. So I'm going to be making tassels, and I'll be adding these 2 tassels as well. And then I'm going to show you how to embellish these further. So that's going to be in an upcoming video as well. But in these kits, just this little wood charm by itself comes with your kit. Okay, so the blue one that I showed you a minute ago. So this one goes with this kit here. So you have the tan or you have the blue. And then here is the blue bead thread charm as well. So these are the 2 colors that I'm working and offering for you right now. There's 10 sets of these available. I'm making everything in small batches. So you have to purchase it when you see it before they are gone. And I'm not going to offer more than 10 at a time. And so hopefully if I sell out, then I will offer more. But right now, until the first 10 sets sell out, I won't be offering any more. So I'm keeping them in the small batches to keep it manageable. And again, you get to use your $5 off of a $10 purchase the whole month of June. So if you wanted to purchase the thread spool charm with the little wood bead wood charm and get $5 off of that set, you could do that as well. So hope you will check that out in my Etsy shop. Thank you for being here with me today. Thank you for everyone who's subscribing. And we're almost to the 500 subscribers. I think it's 23 more subscribers to go. So yay. Thank you so much for everyone who is subscribing. And that tells me that you like my channel and my content. And so keep creating in the sunshine. And let me know which of these kits that you like. And if you're going to be purchasing one, then let me know that as well. But I'll know when you use the code. So don't forget to click the link in my description to take you right to Etsy. You log in, it adds the discount automatically in your cart, so it makes it very easy for you. So that code is your discount, and it goes straight to your cart. And then everything you purchase from my shop can only be used in my shop. You will be able to use it on anything. You can purchase a kit, the little spool thread and wood charm, whatever you want to purchase with that coupon. It's not just for these kits. It can be used for anything in my shop. And you can come back over and over and over again the whole month of June and use the coupon all month long. Alrighty, so thank you so much for being here. Please like, comment, and share. That helps me to be found in search. And I will see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.